2 years after the launch of ChatGPT, the way people work has quietly but permanently changed. What started as an experiment quickly became a daily tool for millions around the world. Today, artificial intelligence is no longer limited to research labs or tech companies. It is being used in offices, homes, classrooms, and businesses to complete tasks faster, think smarter, and reduce effort. However, this adoption is not equal across all professions. Some jobs have embraced AI deeply, while others have barely begun to interact with it. Jobs in technology and IT are currently using AI more than any other field. Software developers rely on AI tools to write code, fix errors, and understand complex programming problems in a fraction of the time it once took. Data analysts and data scientists use AI to process large datasets, identify patterns, and generate insights that guide major business decisions. In these roles, AI acts like a powerful assistant, increasing productivity rather than replacing human expertise. Creative and media-related jobs are also seeing heavy AI usage. Content writers and bloggers use AI to draft articles, improve clarity, and optimize content for search engines. Digital marketers depend on AI to create ad copies, analyze campaign performance, and understand audience behavior. Graphic designers and video editors use AI-powered tools for image generation, thumbnail creation, captions, and quick edits. In these professions, AI speeds up repetitive tasks, allowing creators to focus more on ideas and storytelling. Business, finance, and office-based roles are rapidly adopting AI as well. Managers and business analysts use AI to summarize long reports, forecast trends, and support strategic decisions. Accountants and finance professionals rely on AI for expense tracking, financial summaries, and predictive analysis. Human resource teams use AI to screen resumes, write job descriptions, and analyze employee data. In these jobs, AI reduces manual workload and improves efficiency, but human judgment remains essential. In fields like education, healthcare, and law, AI adoption is more cautious but highly impactful. Teachers use AI to plan lessons, generate quizzes, and personalize learning materials. Doctors and healthcare professionals use AI for medical documentation, research summaries, and diagnostic support. Legal professionals use AI to review contracts, research cases, and analyze large volumes of legal documents. In all these roles, AI serves as a support system, while final decisions stay firmly in human hands. On the other hand, jobs that require physical presence and hands-on work are using AI the least. Construction workers, electricians, plumbers, mechanics, and drivers may use technology, but direct interaction with AI tools is still limited. These roles depend more on physical skills, real-world judgment, and on-site experience, making AI adoption slower compared to desk-based jobs. In conclusion, AI is not replacing jobs, it is reshaping how work is done. The real shift is not about machines taking over, but about people learning to work alongside intelligent tools. Those who understand and adapt to AI will move faster and stay relevant, while those who ignore it may struggle to keep up. In the future, success will not belong to those who fear AI, but to those who know how to use it wisely.